Understanding electric oven, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase electric oven. This is a common term in everyday English, especially when discussing cooking or kitchen appliances. Let's dive in and learn more about it. An electric oven is a common kitchen appliance used for cooking and baking. It operates using electricity as its power source, unlike traditional ovens that might use gas. Electric ovens are known for their consistency and temperature and are widely used in both home kitchens and professional settings. They come in various sizes and styles, catering to different cooking needs. In this section, let's look at the key components of an electric oven. Heating elements. These are the parts that heat up to cook the food. Usually, there are two elements, one at the top for broiling and one at the bottom for regular baking. Thermostat. This controls the temperature inside the oven, ensuring it stays at the desired level. Timer. Many electric ovens have timers to help you keep track of cooking time. Racks and trays. These are placed inside the oven and can be adjusted according to the size and type of food being cooked. Understanding how to use an electric oven is crucial. Here are some basic steps. 1. Preheat the oven to the required temperature. 2. Place your food on a tray or rack. 3. Set the timer and temperature as needed. 4. Monitor the cooking process and make adjustments if necessary. 5. Always use oven mitts to remove hot items. Safety is paramount when using an electric oven. Remember these tips. Never leave the oven unattended while it's on. Keep flammable materials away from the oven. Always turn off the oven after use. Ensure children are supervised around the oven. That's all about electric ovens. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this common kitchen appliance. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use these new terms and knowledge in your daily conversations about cooking. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.